Tomahawk air compressors deliver powerful performance for any garage or job site. Begin by unboxing the air compressor and removing all packaging materials. Inspect the components before moving forward. Begin by installing the 4 rubber isolation mounts onto the legs of the compressor and tighten them securely. Next, mount the battery compartment and fasten it in place. To connect a battery to the Honda GX390 engine, attach the red positive cable to the B+ terminal on the starter solenoid. Then, connect the black negative cable to a metal surface on the engine block or frame to ensure a solid ground connection. To fuel the air compressor, open the fuel cap and fill the tank with unleaded gasoline. Once filled, tighten the fuel cap securely. Next, unscrew the oil cap and check the dipstick. For first-time use, fill the tank with 4-stroke motor oil, then reinstall the oil cap. To start the engine, turn the fuel valve to the on position. If the engine is cold, move the choke lever to the closed position. Now, for electric start, simply turn the key switch to the start position until the engine fires, then release it to the on position. If using the recoil starter, pull the grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. As the engine warms up, gradually open the choke. Once your compressor is running, let it build pressure before connecting tools. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.